Hey guys, this is Asif from Imantix AI Academy. We are continuing a series of AI fundamentals. Today we'll be talking about another very famous company in the world of AI called Anthropic. Anthropic has been, a very popular company in the world of software development. It offers the models that it offers are key for many software developers today. So Anthropic, they have this website called Claude.ai. Claude AI is not as popular, you could say, as ChatGPT.com, but it has quite a few people who use the website too. Although Anthropic is more popular on the API side, on their usage of the tools that they provide for software developers and all that. Anthropic in general is funded by Amazon. Amazon, seed funded this company with more than $4 billion in investment. As we were saying that AI is an expensive domain. You need large amounts of investment to run a particular company. So Anthropic has initial investments came in from Amazon. Now they have got a large number of investors. And they are valued at over $180 billion anyway at the moment. So it's grown over time. Now the kind of models that Anthropic offers three models. They're called Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. The theme and the naming is they are music oriented. So Haiku being a Chinese poem. It is the smallest model per se and the cheapest one that they offer. $0.8 for input and $4 for output for 1,000,000 tokens. Then the one which is most used by most software developers globally, Claude Sonnet 4. It would be, I would think this model currently, before the coming of GPT-5, was dominating every form of software development platform. Right now, all the GPT-5 got introduced, and at times it does perform better than Sonnet in software development. Sonnet still is like the tried and tested platform for software development, does an amazing job, and in generally they have been putting a lot of effort in ensuring there's always it performs among the best models available. Sonnet in general is pretty reasonably priced. It's got like $3 for 1,000,000 tokens and $15 for 1,000,000 output tokens. That's around $18 for 1,000,000 tokens of input and output combined. That's a pretty reasonable pricing, although there was a recent upgrade in Sonnet 4, wherein now it supports 1,000,000 tokens, and that additional support is a bit expensive. It bumps up the price from $18 to $30. So if you want to use that aspect of Sonnet, of having 1,000,000 tokens of context size, that it can process larger amounts of data in a single go, it's a bit more expensive. And then we come to the magnum opus of software development models, Claude Opus 4.1. It's supposed to be the best model that you can have for software development, but at the same time the most expensive, and hence it isn't used as much as Sonnet. But yeah, it's about $90 for 1,000,000 tokens, and it's very expressive. So when you use this model, you could probably use up 1,000,000 tokens in a couple of hours. That's highly possible. That's the kind of code that it can generate, and it does get expensive over time. So one of the most from a software development perspective, the tool that's very, very popular in the software development world, which is offered by Anthropic, is Claude Code. It's their software development tool that they offer, and it does a very nice. It does pretty well for software development and generating code. They do offer another tool called Claude Desktop, which is a desktop version of the application. It got famous by the introduction of their platform, which is called MCP. We will discuss MCP separately in a different video. But Anthropic is the company that initiated this protocol and the method of calling tools and all that, from multiple agents. So this is the company in general. They have a strong focus or a strong user base in the software development in the software development world. There is active competition now from GPT-5, where GPT-5 is doing is comparable. Earlier, GPT 4.1 was not. So let's see how things progress, and this all healthy competition at the end of the day. Thank you.